Good morning, students. Welcome you all. I hope you all are keeping yourself in good health. In today's session, we will revise Chapter 1 of English language, that is, the sentence. I expect that you have studied the chapter properly and completed all the exercises given in your book. In this session, we are going to revise what is a sentence and types of sentences. Let's start with what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys complete sense. It always begins with a capital letter and contains noun or pronoun and verb. For example, he is an honest police officer. Children, look at this sentence. It is start with a capital letter. Here we use pronoun he and verb is and also it conveys the complete sense. So we can say that there are three main characteristics of the sentence. The first main characteristic of the sentence is that it expresses the complete sense. It means that it gives the complete meaning. For example, blue sky is the. Children, is this conveying any meaning to you? No, so it is not a sentence. If we say the sky is blue, now you get to know about the color of the sky from this sentence. So we said that it is conveying meaning. That's why it is a sentence. The second main characteristics of a sentence is that it must have subject and a verb. For example, they study. Here, they is subject and study is verb. But sometimes only one word can be a sentence. For example, sit. Here, sit is a verb. Then tell me, where is a subject? In this sentence, subject you is hidden. We will imply you as a subject in this sentence. The third characteristic of the sentence is that sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. For example, Ravi wants to play cricket. Where are you going? How beautiful the rainbow is. Children, look at these sentences. They all are starts with capital letter and end with full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Now all of you have revised that what is a sentence. Now next is types of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences. They are statements, questions, commands, requests and exclamations. Let's start with the first type of a sentence, that is statements. Sentences that state something or give us information are called statements. It ends with a full stop. For example, a dog is men's best friend. Here we are getting an information based on experience that the dog is always a best friend of a man. Next is the sandwich is very tasty. Here we are getting an information about the taste of a sandwich. Next type of sentence is questions. Sentences which are asking about someone or something are called question sentences. It ends with a question mark. Question sentences always start with is, am, are, has, have, will, shall, do, does, did, was, were, may, could, would or should. They may also start with questions word such as what, why, where, when, who, which or how. Some examples of question sentences are, how are you? Where is my book? Can you help me? These all sentences are asking question and end with a question mark. Next type of sentence is commands. These sentences that gives orders are called commands. It ends with a full stop. For example, don't talk so loudly. Complete your work fast. Here, in these sentences, we are giving order to someone or somebody. Next type of sentence is requests. Sentences that call for something to be given or done are called request sentences. In these types of sentences, the request is to be made for some work to be given or done. It ends with a full stop. For example, please give me a pen. Please help me. In the given sentences, the word please is used that shows that we are making a request to someone. Next type of sentences are exclamations. These sentences express strong feelings and emotions. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, that is a huge fish. Here, we are expressing a strong emotion of surprise after seeing the size of a fish. Next is, what a beautiful day it is. Here, we are expressing happiness after having a nice day. I hope you all have understood the chapter properly and ready for your assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.